Hi everyone. Want to explore Microsoft Azure for free? Here is how can you set up your trial account in under a minute. Go to one of the search engine, either Google or Bing, and type Azure Free Trial account. This will take you to the another link, which is Create Azure Free Account or Pay As You Go. Click on this link. It will redirect you to another tab, and in this tab, you will see an option called Try Azure for free. Click on this and it will open another form where you have to fill your personal details such as email ID, mobile number, and credit card details. Don't worry, you will not be charged until you upgrade your plan to something higher tier. So once you fill out those details and mobile number is validated, you will land into Azure portal and you will be able to see all the Azure services after that, as you can see on my screen. That's it. Your Azure free trial is live. Like and follow for such more tips. Your Azure journey starts now. See you in next video.